Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 3 different drills to help you work on your balance and your leg control. Now let's get started. So the first drill is going to be 3 roundhouse kicks without dropping your leg. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and then drop your foot down. Now to build up to that, you just want to start with 1, nice and controlled, then add the second one, 1, 2, and then you can add that third one in. Really the key for this is obviously just finding that body posture, just having a little bit of a slight lean, not too much, but just enough to really set your balance. And then also keeping your knee in one spot. Make sure your knee isn't moving all over the place. Try to keep your knee in one spot, just focus on extending that leg out, get those 3 flicks out, and then you'll get it down. Now this next one, we're going to be doing a front snap kick to a back side kick, okay? So for this one, definitely got to really focus on just shifting that body weight around just a little bit. So all you're going to do is a front kick out in front of you here. Bring your knee back, look behind you, back side kick behind you, and then bring your foot right back down. All right, so like I said, this one's not super hard. It's just a matter of just being able to control that knee coming back, shift your body weight just a little bit. That way you can get that second kick off. So front kick in front of you, look behind you, back side kick with that same foot right behind you, rechamber, drop your foot down. And this last drill is going to be 3 kicks. It's going to be a front kick, a roundhouse kick, and a side kick. So we're going to be hitting 3 different spots generally in front of us. So the front kick's going to go straight in front of us here. Then you're going to do a roundhouse kick to the side, and then a side kick to the other side. So you want to just imagine there's 3 targets in front of you. One directly in front, one a little bit to the side, and then the other one's over to this side. So you're doing front kick, roundhouse, side kick. This one's definitely pretty challenging, but it's also a lot of fun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what else you would like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.